Hi, my name is Abhishek, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Wealthy Therapeutics. Wealthy is a digital therapeutic company and a digital medicine company that was born out of an opportunity to really help the next 3 billion people get access to better quality care. And the forces of change are really reimagining this, whether it's payer economics in out of pocket markets or reimbursed markets that do not work, where it's pay for performance and value based care that needs to take the forefront versus pay for a pill or a consult. Or on the other side, where you're seeing a massive consumerization of healthcare, where patients demand continual care at their convenience and personalized care. And what you see at the center of it all is digital therapeutics and digital medicine really enabling better real world outcomes at scale. We see an opportunity to help patients who have not got access before and not have had real world outcomes because of great quality care before. And this is where new business models will be built. This is where new experience will be built, all coming from the new science that comes along. We create digital therapeutic and digital medicine candidates to enable outcome based business models for our partners. We take proven medical guidelines and interventions that have worked. We reimagine that through technology to ensure that we can enable multi stakeholder, tech enabled care to enable and augment better patient outcomes for our health system partners, for our payer partners, for our pharma, and for our med device partners across a wide variety of chronic conditions. We have set out on a mission to impact 10 million patients in this decade. And we want to do this by powering personalized care, want to improve outcomes while still reducing the cost and burden of care and ensure the right patient gets the right intervention at the right time. We're doing this by taking our digital therapeutics and digital medicine capabilities and adding it on top of existing care so that we're able to drive real world outcomes at scale and at the same time capture more data, enable better clinical decision support, integrate the system, and ensure that we're generating evidence in the process. Us by the numbers, we're a 100 team member company now. We're operating in 3 countries with enterprise partnerships. We're live in 600 towns and cities. We are software as a medical device certified across the platform, have more than 20 real world publications on what we do. We've raised capital from both a mix of institutional investors as well as strategics. And we're really fortunate to have built a model which is 100% enterprise focused, but yet B2B2C, where we work with life sciences companies to drive better health outcomes at scale. We've gotten here because we really work with the industry to enable both product market fit and growth market fit at scale. We've worked with leading pharma companies, med device companies, reinsurers, payers, large health systems, and their accelerators and cohorts to really understand the pain points, not just of what the patient or the HCP is seeing, but really what the business is seeing, so that we can enable more repeatability, more scalability, and really command better access and convenience at scale. Our platform allows for this. We're a full stack digital care platform for managing complex conditions with 3 concentric circles. The innermost concentric circle really allows us to build and architect multi-morbidity management at scale. The middle concentric circle is what every stakeholder sees, where patient and caregiver facing tools, paramedical facing tools, and enterprise facing tools, and HCP facing tools are all there to reimagine patient outcomes at scale. And we integrate with a larger ecosystem as the outermost concentric circle. And all of this really allows for commercializing our candidates at scale. We're live in cardiometabolic conditions, in respiratory conditions, in nephrology conditions, and soon oncology and women's health conditions, where we're reimagining better health outcomes at scale along with all our partners, because each of our candidates really drives better business models for our partners where we intersect real world outcomes with value creation, whether it's remote patient monitoring for our health system partners, disease management and risk reduction for our payer partners, drug and DTX combination for our pharma partners, clinical trial capability for them as well, and patient support for our med device partners. That's what we're doing at scale. And our partnerships reflect that. We're combined with devices, we're combined with drugs, we're part of clinical studies and clinical trials. And we're really partnering with public health so that we can help those that need it the most and ensure that a regulatory pathway enables that at scale. We're helping ill-equipped healthcare systems digitally enable better health outcomes. And we're really, really super excited with a team to make this all happen, which is a mix of healthcare entrepreneurs, clinicians, designers, engineers, product guys, care delivery experts, regulatory and compliance, and patient success, all doing one thing and one thing only. How can we drive better real outcomes at scale for those that need it the most? Thank you so much for your time.